And here goes this 2015 Toyota Sienna. Today, March 26th, at around 10 o'clock. Look at it malfunctioning on me again. I'm trying to open this door and it doesn't open. Got stuck before. I'm not dealing with this anymore. Here, step out. Step out. Here it goes again. The 2015 Sienna. The 2015 Sienna that I purchased from Advantage Toyota. On the 2015 Toyota Sienna, this sliding door has again lost power. It's actually the second time it just happened right now. It lost power. You would open it with your hand. It's not supposed to be doing that. It's supposed to work automatically. If I push it all the way back, then I guess it moves it, gets power again. Now it's got power again. Same problem that I've been talking about. Now it works, but as you can see, it wasn't working. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching our video. If you liked it, please click the like icon. And if you want to watch more videos of our family's quest to be as happy and productive as we can, please subscribe and click the bell notification. Out.